Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have a question where you cannot use the calculator and the question is 99 square plus 1. And lots of time you will see this type of question where you have 99 or 999, right? So whenever we get this type of question, always try to relate it with 100, right? Because there is always a purpose of giving 99. I know I cannot calculate 99 square in my mind until I know the short trick, right? So what will I do? I will write it as 100 minus 1 whole square, right? Either you can do this way, okay, and you can just apply the square trick that a minus b whole square. I can write it here if you don't know. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So what can I do? I can write 100 square plus 1 minus 200 and plus 1, right? So we can easily tell that this will be equal to 10,000, right? Because we need to calculate in our mind. I am just writing it so you understand. Otherwise, this thing you can calculate in your mind as well. So 10,000 minus 200 is 9,800, and if you add 2, it will be 9,802. You can easily tell just by solving it this way. And there is another method as well. So whenever you see you have like this 99 square plus 1, right? What else can we do? I know that 99 square is 99 times 99, right? What can I do? One of these 99 I can write it as 100 minus 1. Now as well I can easily multiply 99 with 100 first and then 99 with 1, right? So if you subtract 9900 minus 99, if you subtract 100 from 8, you will get 9800. But you are not subtracting 100, you are subtracting 99, one less. So the answer will be 9801, and then you have this one in addition, so answer will be 9802, right? So either we can solve this way whenever we get this type of question, or we can use square tricks like that, okay? Identities, okay? So I hope you understood this. Whenever you get this type of question, always try to follow this kind of things. Try to relate it with 100 or 1000 when you have 999 square, okay? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and thank you for visiting. Bye bye. See you in next video.